Did you know yawning is contagious even when no one is actually tired? The moment you see someone yawn or even hear the word, your brain starts copying the action automatically. This happens because your brain is wired to mirror people around you, especially those you feel connected to. Yawning is strongly linked to empathy and social bonding, which is why it spreads faster among friends, family, or people you relate to. Scientists also believe yawning helps cool the brain and reset alertness when focus starts to drop. If you felt the urge to yawn just now, tap like and comment which human behavior you want explained next.